guess what? We're combining. First field. And we're having minor difficulties, such as the radios are not radioing. So, Grandpa's got to call me every 3 seconds to tell me what the heck's happening. That's a brand new cloth hat that I definitely did not borrow from Grandma and Grandpa's place 10 minutes ago. Got my Coke. I just unloaded one load into grain truck, semi, whatever you want to call them. Here in the 315 Magnum. This is the first real action you people have seen in a little bit. So, since I've got to have two hands, there will not be very good recording. Last year I had a tripod that I put right there all the time, but it got broken. I could put a magnet up with my GoPro, but my GoPro, I can't get videos off my GoPro to my phone. So there probably won't be a lot of great clips. But we are coming up on my 2-year anniversary here on these two. That's pretty cool. Exciting. That's how much we have done already. Don't know why the seed monitor's on. Ain't gonna touch it though. And here comes Grandpa. I gotta go. This is a Claus Lexion 760 with a 40-foot Mastodon Draper head, I believe. You're not currently hearing it. No, you're not hearing it. You're hearing this. Sorry for the train noises. Light is on. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you slightly enjoyed whatever that was. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.